Street in Edmonton. As you can see, we've got a serious failure in the backyard. It's been happening for about, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks now. It's approximately 2 feet in width, about 16 feet down. You can hear the Alberta flag in the background, and I will be giving you the tour, trying to keep a little bit up to date on the experiences of this bank that we're about to have. We also have a failure in the upper part here. Runs across here. Across. Now we take a look down there. You can see it's not too serious as far as depth is concerned. Seems more of a slump than a failure. Bob's area there. Let's see where their failure is. We had about a foot drop. Up to the junkets. Right there. We'll go down below. That's where we had some sod last year. See, we just leveled the deck yesterday. Bruce and his squad. Go down below now. So here on the second, or the lower concrete planter, you can see we've had a seam, and that hasn't changed on that side since last fall. This side over here is about a little wider. You can see down below there. That can go down as far as 16 feet. We've got a failure here. Major failure that seems to have occurred just recently. See the slump there into the McLean's, and then across our front part, all the way along the side there. I'll jump over the other side here, very carefully. You can see down below, which again about 16 feet. That one's all the way down and along there. This here yesterday. It's actually still intact, a lot of it. Beautiful home with a beautiful view. See how this failure goes up along, and you can see how that tree's starting to lean. So this entire mast here that's failing is sliding somehow, coming to rest below. Obviously, a significant piece of land is about to be released from the bank. So, again, this has all happened within 2 to 3 weeks. Started with small cracks like along here. Notice a few cracks like that are appearing along the tree. And obviously they have grown in significance since. See how it's just pulled the roots right apart. Amazing amount of energy. See how we just propped up the deck here? 2x12s, that used to be 3 2x10s. We now got 3 2x12s plus a 4x6 on top of it. As you can see, there's been some shims put in. That pillar there. And that doesn't seem to have moved too much. This failure here goes along. So, pretty sad a property like this that you'll lose if it goes. There's a group of us wanting to get together, as few as 6 and hopefully as many as 15 to 20. We want to make this whole bank work so we can have this beautiful view due west to the side. The Edmonton Country Club will be beyond. Peter Barlow will be doing the engineering, and we'll go from there. Really can't fix anything until it fails. So as I was kind of saying, it's like some gunman waving a gun in your face. I'd just as soon say, shoot me or let me go. Don't enjoy this, because nothing we can do about it until something happens. So Peter Barlow putting a proposal together. Ken Burton, Stephen Elizabeth, the Jugdets, Paul McLean, myself, and Ken Webb had a meeting a week ago. It was a good meeting, but we'll see where it all ends up. Important thing is that we've got our health, a lovely baby and a lovely wife, a beautiful home, and of course the home comes in second. It's just a thing. It's not your health. You can always buy another home, but you can never buy the love that we have for each other. So, signing off for April 26th. I'm sure that we'll be having more videos, but God only knows what it'll look like next time I take it. Signing out. So here we are, May 3rd. Now just checking out the situation here. As we can see, a few things have changed. So we see our view's a little better. All to be expected. Always a shock, of course, when we see it. Just head down below here. Below here. Let's see. A little different view here.